Do you know the vagina keeps itself clean daily? Alright, now you know. I have been getting a lot of questions from my students. If the vagina keeps itself clean daily, what do we do then? Should we leave it like that? Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecturing YouTube channel. My name is Messi Mary, popularly known as a nurse with the difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today we are going to be talking about the vagina, how to take care of your vagina, how to have a healthy vagina, and I'm going to be sharing with us 10 tips on how to keep your vagina healthy. But before we go into details, if you are new on our YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today we are going to be sharing with you 10 tips on how to keep your vagina healthy. The first one I have here is, guess, trim that area. Trim the hair around your vulva. You have to what? You have to trim the hair around your vulva, preferably with scissors rather than shaving. Seriously, that is what you need to know. The first is what? The first is to trim the hair around the vulva. Do not accommodate a lot of hair around the vulva, because while accommodating a lot of hair, there can be bacteria, there can be infection, and there can be what? Vaginal itching. So try as much as possible to trim the hair around the vagina. Then the second point I have is for those that don't want to trim. Yes, I have a lot of people, I have a lot of patients that I've come in contact with, and they tell me they don't feel like trimming. They just want to shave everything. They are comfortable shaving. Alright, fine. While shaving, try as much as possible to be extremely careful. While shaving, try as much as possible to be extremely careful. And when shaving, don't shave against the direction of the growth of the hair. What you have to do is to shave. For example, what I mean is that my hair is growing this way. So it is preferable I shave like this and I don't shave like this. If I'm shaving like this, it is likely going to cause more harm than good. So shave in the direction of your hair growth. Then the third point I have is the type of panties to wear. Yes, some of us wear panties for the fashion, to look sexy, to look more attractive when during sex or something. But the advisable panties to put on is cotton pants. Cotton panties, they are advisable. Why? Cotton panties are advisable because they are made in such a way that they allow air to go into your vulva, to go into that area and prevent what? And prevent rash. When air is not going into the vagina, the vulva area, it's likely going to cause rash, it's likely going to cause heat, it's likely going to provide a medium for microorganisms to interact. And when microorganisms interact, it can make you uncomfortable. It can also lead to what? It can lead to vaginal infection and can lead to vaginal itching. Now the fourth point I have is wash up after sex. Always wash up after sex, before and after sex. Let's just say before and after sex, because you are coming in contact with somebody's body fluid, you are coming in contact with somebody's sweat, so it is advisable you wash. Generally, I say during sexual intercourse, practice aseptic technique. For the nurses in the house, I believe you understand, because I feel sexual intercourse is an invasive procedure. Yes, it is an invasive procedure, so you have to practice what? You have to practice aseptic technique. So it is advisable to actually wash up before and after sex. Then the fifth point I have is practice hand washing hygiene. Always wash your hand, especially the men. Learn to wash the hands properly. Why I'm saying this is that sometimes the men has to finger their women and all that. So good proper hygiene will prevent infection from going into the vagina during sexual intercourse. That's for those that do the finger stuff. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes. Then the 6th point I have to share with you is avoid scrubbing. Yes. The way you scrub your body, it's not the same way you scrub your vagina or your vulva. That place is soft, that place is tender. If you must scrub at all, use a soft cloth to scrub the vaginal area of the vulva. You don't use your sponge that you used to bathe. The same way you scrub your body, you use it to scrub your vulva or your vagina. So preferably avoid scrubbing. And also the next point, that's the 7th point, I guess. Yes, the 7th point, avoid the use of soap. Yes, some of us, we use soap, we use a lot of things in the vagina. Avoid those things. They can irritate the vagina and that can lead to itchy. They can also reduce the pH of the vagina, thereby altering the normal pH scale, normal pH value of the vagina, and that is not good. You know, the vagina has a particular bacteria that stays around there that helps to keep the vagina healthy, that helps to cleanse the vagina, helps to make it well it is. So when you use soap, when you use those chemicals, when you use those irritants, you are actually altering the pH of the vagina. The number 8 point I have to share with you is eat with caution. Yes, there are a lot of food that actually helps to keep the pH of the vagina okay, and that includes yogurt. Take a lot of yogurt, take a lot of soya products, take a lot of fruits, take a lot of veggies. All these help to what? To keep your vagina healthy. Then also the number 9 point I have for you, good personal hygiene. As a lady, you should have a good personal hygiene. Remember I said always wash down there before and after sex. Aside that, during menstrual cycle, during your menses I mean, always make sure you change the pad regularly. Also make sure your panties are clean, your panties are washed. If possible, iron that small part that is facing your vulva, that is facing your vagina. Just practice good personal hygiene. It is very, very good for your vaginal hairs. Then the last one I have here is pap smear. Pap smear. What is pap smear? It's more or less like an examination that is done where your cervix is being visualized. So when you do a pap smear, a regular visit to the doctor, you do a pap smear, they check your cervix, they check your vaginal area, they are able to detect things that need further tests, they are able to detect some changes in the vagina. That will tell them what to do next. Sometimes most pap smear are for cancer, yes, to check out if you have the human papilloma virus that can cause cancer. So you can do pap smear once in a year, you can do it regularly to actually check your vagina and to actually check your cervix to know if everything is alright. I hope these 10 points actually give you a clue on how to keep your vagina healthy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching our video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for staying to the end. For those that are new on our YouTube channel, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. If you have a point to share with us, kindly drop in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, it was helpful, kindly drop on the comment section. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For those that are nurses today that have not registered for our Telegram classes, you have been missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen so you can have access to all our voice note classes that helps prepare you for your nursing and midwifery council exams. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.